Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command. To install Postman on Ubuntu, you need to run the following command. First, install the snap. Once snap is installed, run the following command to install Postman. When the installation is finished, go to your desktop and there you will see the Postman. Now just launch it and you can work with it. That's it. If you have any question, please leave them in the comments.